Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, and today we're on my eBay store. This is the place to get high quality baking ingredients for home bakers and professional bakers. Now I've got for you is a wholemeal from Shipton mill. It comes in a 16 kilogram bag. This is a very good quality product. I wrap it in plastic and pop it into a wax box just to guarantee to you get it in good condition. Now what about the product itself? You'll get 55 large loaves and 110 small loaves. This product does take a lot more water than a white flour. You will have to probably add white flour to it if you're making bread rolls. Or if you wanted to make what we in the old days call a wheatmeal loaf, you can add 20% white to it and you'll get a really good quality loaf of bread. Now what I would do, guys, check out the description below the video, as down below you'll find playlists to bakery videos I've done on bread previously. Also, if you pop over to my Facebook page at The Traditional Bakery, the link is below the description, you'll find photos, and under the photographs are full-blown recipes as well. Please subscribe and please share. And we'll see you again very shortly in my eBay store. Later!